Hi there and welcome to OwlInbox, the revolutionary email platform designed specifically for viral mailer admins and users. If you're tired of sifting through cluttered inboxes, losing track of credit links, or just need a better way to manage all your viral mailer emails, then you've come to the right place. Today we'll show you how OwlInbox can change the way you handle your viral mailer emails, making your life easier and more profitable. Let's start by logging into OwlInbox. Enter your OwlInbox email or username followed by your password, and just like that, you're in. Simple and familiar, right? Just like any other email service. Here we are in our regular inbox. Let's open one of these emails. This one is from a viral mailer site. Now, if you're familiar with viral mailers' email, you know they contain credit links. Normally, you'd need to go through each email one by one, read them, and click the link to earn your credits. But with OwlInbox, we have a smarter way. No more opening each email individually. First, let's grab the email address of the viral mailer site. We'll just go up to the email header and copy the from address, like so. Now let's make our way to the account page. Simply click Account from the top right navigation. Once here, head over to the sidebar and select Viral Mailer Address. Now let's add our viral mailer address to OwlInbox by clicking Add Viral Mailer. We'll paste the address we copied earlier right here and hit Add. Perfect. Now let's go to our specialized viral mailer inbox by clicking it from the top navigation. In this inbox, you'll see a drop-down that lists all the viral mailer addresses you've added. For now, we have just the one we added earlier, and right beside it, there's an input field where you can choose how many emails you'd like to process, anywhere from 1 to 100. Let's enter 10 for this example and hit Search. OwlInbox will now instantly fetch 10 credit links from 10 unread emails, all organized and ready for you. No need to open each email individually anymore. Now let's click on one of these credit links. It automatically opens the link in a new tab, Easy. And as you can see, the item is removed from the list once you click it. And check this out. On the right side, you can track your progress. The unread emails count goes down and the read emails count updates in real time as you click through each link. And there you have it. With OwlInbox, earning credits from your viral mailers is faster, simpler, and more organized than ever before. No more wasting time going through each email. Let OwlInbox do the heavy lifting for you.